I'm going to teach you how to make $15,000 to $20,000 your very first month online.
I'm Joel Therien, and I've been an entrepreneur since I was 16 years old. I saw my first real income by age 23. Here are a few things that I've learned along the way. Failure is not to be feared, it's to be admired. You never fail, you only win or you learn. There's no finish line, there is only creation and innovation.
Hey folks, Joel Therien here, and we've all seen it, right? Time and time again. College dropout makes $20,000 easy, automated, click one button in his first 30 days. Or poor UPS guy quits his UPS job and made $18,000 in his first 2 weeks, right? Well, it's probably true, but what they don't tell you is the backstory, okay? We're just discussing here in office, and you can have the best product in the world, the best service, the best everything, but if you don't have people to tell about your product or service, you're absolutely dead in the water. So how do these people, these college dropouts, this UPS driver, this single dad, this single mom, all of a sudden generate $15,000? It's because they don't give you the backstory. It's one simple thing, but it takes time and consistency. Listen, I get it. We all want immediate gratification. We all hope in our minds that there really is that secret sauce, that hidden underground way of generating $15,000 in your first month online. Why? We'd all love to do that. And, you know, there's that child side of us that goes, oh, I hope this is the one. I hope this is true. I hope this works. The reality is, no, it doesn't, and it will never work. Here's the backstory they don't tell you. The people. So listen, let's use me as an example because I've been doing online marketing for 25 years. So people in general have built up a list already. So the key to your success is traffic, conversions, and mindset. And traffic to generating leads. Build your list. Build your name of email subscribers, cell phone numbers, things that you can market to. Build your list. And so that's how these people do it. What they don't tell you is maybe for the past year, year and a half, they've built up a list of 10,000 subscribers on their email list. Over time, they've gotten that list to know, like, and trust them. That's why, as an example, I now have a list of about 1.7 million people on my email list. A good percentage of those people have been on my list for a very, very long time. By being on my list and watching videos like this one and seeing me around, they've come to know, like, and trust who I am. And because of know, like, and trust, that's what builds a brand. That's why I do these videos. That's why I send email. Building the brand is what builds the trust. So undoubtedly, it almost doesn't matter what the program is. Now, I wouldn't promote anything under the sun. I've promoted things like List Leverage and a few other programs over the years, Traffic Authority, because I believe in those things. That's the key. Anything I do promote, I believe provides a solution to a problem. I believe it will help my end users and customers out there around the world. So the reality is, because of one thing only, understand this part, this one thing only, because I've built a very large email list and that list over time has come to know, like, and trust me, well, I can promote just about anything and be guaranteed to make 4, 5, or even sometimes 6 figures. As an example, in Traffic Authority, I've been paid over $250,000 over the past year and a half. Why? Because I have a list already. I've created an ecosystem where I've generated traffic. From that traffic, I've generated leads. From those leads, I've done consistent follow-up to those leads to either my YouTube channel like this or the other things that I'm doing. They've come to know, like, and trust who I am. They go, Joel's not a bad guy. I believe in what he's doing. Yes, I'm going to buy from Joel. And that's the key to success. There's no other way around it. Generate traffic to a free offer, get a name and email address, and then over time, market to that email address things of high quality, provide solutions, provide things that you know that they need help with. And in doing that, do videos like this, they're going to come to know, like, and trust you. Only when, here's the reality of the situation, no bullshit, no lies, only when people come to know, like, and trust you will they buy from you. That's why this immediate gratification BS simply doesn't work. Have you ever met somebody on the street and just given them $100? No, of course not, right? Would you give $100 to Tom Cruise or Angelina Jolie if they said, hey, my car just broke down the road, can you lend me $100 and I'll pay you back? If you knew with certainty it was them, the only skepticism would be, is it really Brad Pitt? Is it really Angelina Jolie? But if you knew it was really them, because they've built their brand and their trust by being in movies, you would probably hand over the $100 knowing that you'll get it back in a couple days. Trust takes time. Building up a relationship with people takes time, and that's the only way you're going to be able. So it is very, very easy. Build your list, market to that list, get that list to know, like, and trust you, and then those people will buy from you. So that's the missing piece of the college student who made his first 30K in his first 30 days, the single dad who went from broke to making millions. No, yes, again, being realistic, I could promote just about anything because I have a large list of subscribers who've come to know, like, and trust who I am. And because of that trust and because of the list building over the years, can you make really good money, or I can make good money. So what's a realistic time frame? Well, using my own story, once I understand the value of building my list and marketing to that list, once my email list got to 100 subscribers, guess what? I made my first sale for $10. And I was like, how do I replicate that 10 times, 100 times, 1,000 times? It becomes very predictable. Once I built my list to 1,000 subscribers, I started making about $100 a month. When I started building my list to 10,000 subscribers, I started making $1,000 to $2,000 a month. When I built my list to 100,000 subscribers, I started making $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 a month. When you start building your list, and if you treat that list with respect, you treat that list with honesty, transparency, and integrity, and you pick and choose what you promote to that list, knowing that it's going to help them build their solution to one of their problems, then people will come to trust you and ultimately buy from you for a lifetime. Once you start building your list, it's very predictable, almost like science income that you can make. In fact, with every subscriber on your list, you can expect to make about $1 per month if you treat your list very, very well. So that's how the new gurus do it. I joined a brand new program and I made $30,000 in my first month. Yes, because I have a list of people that already love me, trust me, so on and so forth. So build your list, get that list to know, like, and trust you, and that list will buy from you for a lifetime. I hope this makes sense, folks. If you want other videos like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the bell notification button so that you can be notified every time I put out a video. Have an awesome day. Start building your list, and your world will change forever.